Alrighty guys, y'all see what I see? Hey, slowly but surely, getting back to normal. I don't know what's up with them chips. Hey, they only got us 2? Maybe I missed the other. These are Chargers with Hemis in them. I don't know guys, let's go take a look. Two? Oh, they dropped all them off? Get out the way, man. Let me get a... Damn. Hey, look. Terrell left his little yellow things on his too, didn't he?
I think he took it off.
He finally took it off for a while. He had it on there. Why?
Because when you pull it up on something so low like a curve, like let's just say you coming down somebody's driveway, like y'all driveway.
Yeah.
If he was to pull up there and come down, because instead of him scraping up his damn paint, he scraped that in.
That looks corny, man. Alright guys, I was wrong. We got more than 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 Chargers and a Jeep. Okay. And all these bad boys got Hemi on the side, except this one. So I want to say this is a 3.6. But look, we'll do this again, guys. Remember, we had a debate on whether you should get a car instead of buying a V6 and then trying to make it out to be. Yeah, this is a 3.6 Pentastar right there. Okay, so where's the price? $34.60. Let's go look at one with a Hemi in it. All right, look at that. This one says Hemi. Same kind of car, Charger. What'd I say? $34.60. What's the tag on this? It says $39. So 34 and 39. $5 grand. For $5 grand more, you can get a V8 Charger equipped with a Hemi. Okay, now think about this for a second. Or you can spend 10 grand trying to make your V6 sound like a V8. All right, y'all see where I'm going with this? Somebody please do the math. All right, yes guys, it's if you want a V8 at the end of the day, go ahead and get it from the start. And for the most part, I see people trading in they now this was a plain Jane, so I might have misled y'all. Okay, this one is not a plain Jane. This one got the it's a Hemi, but it's not a plain Jane, and it's 40, so it's $6 grand more. 34 and 40, yeah, $6 grand more for a Charger with a Hemi in it with a little accessories to it. Now what's the difference? When I say accessories, what's the difference? I see it's a little prettier, but it's got the little lowrider panel on it. But I don't know what makes this one 40 and what I say, this one right here. What makes this one 39? I don't know. Where's the $1,000 difference come from? It still got the same little. I don't know. Maybe because. Nope. Can't blame it on the headlights. I don't know. Just maybe $1,000 more. I don't know. The grill? No, you can't blame it on the grill. I don't know. Don't start. This is a nice one. I think this is the Pentastar, right? Yeah, it's got 34 on it. So my point is, guys, I can almost guarantee you at some point in your life you're gonna wish you had a guy. This is an RT. RK. At some point in your life you're gonna wish you had got a V8. Now I want to experiment with some things. I saw a video by my buddy Uncle Mark yesterday where he was adding on some tailgate shocks, and I want to see. He had an older model Ford F-150. I don't know if it's an older model. I don't know the year. Well, I want to see how these newer trucks are doing it as far as cushioning the blow. Okay, this is a split setup. This one not gonna have it. This is a trifecta here. These are nice. That one might be, but I can't let it down. It's too close to the wall. Dang. Uncle Mark, I'm gonna find out. I want to know. Inquiring minds want to know what. And this is 2500. Hemi 6.4. What are they using to cushion the blow? Uncle Mark installed some let me see. I guess what, did the power gotta be on for this? It's electronic. All right, I'm gonna have to check another model, but I can't get this one to come down. I guess I wouldn't think the key has to be in it, because it's a little hand switch under there, but it's not moving. It's not releasing. And y'all know this a split. This is a different design. But I want to know, what are the new trucks doing to cushion that blow? When you open the tailgate, you really don't want your tailgate slamming down. Now, y'all, if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch Aquamark video right here. I'm gonna card it right here. He installed a kit that will prevent that. Okay, just slamming your tailgate down. It can't be good. It don't look good. It don't sound good. All right, there you go. Unloading that last charger. From the sound of it, look guys, you got to be extra careful. One wrong move and that's the end of that charger. Nobody's gonna want it. Ooh, slow down, buddy. Okay, he is a pro at this. What is this? Jeep. What's the price tag on this baby? $43. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, would you like a SUV? Ooh, that sucker sound pretty, don't it, y'all? That's a pretty sounding car. So we still getting truckload. Maybe we got some special privileges that you other cats don't. At any rate, fast as we get them, as fast as we sell them, guys. So don't get it twisted. All right, man, these Jeeps are pretty. And I'm gonna take y'all on a new showroom flow tour soon. We just finished the whole showroom, redid the whole showroom, and it is beautiful. So y'all get a good angle of these Chargers. I don't see no Challengers, so they all Chargers. Scat packs? I don't know. Let's see. Look at that angle. Man, get this Jeep out of this mix. This Jeep messing up my... Y'all see that? It's nice, but it's in the wrong category, guys. So, look at that. How many of y'all in the market for a new Charger? Look at the pretty colors. Look at this candy apple red. And like I said earlier, most guys leave this little yellow shield thingy on here. They don't want to scratch them up. This got a Hemi in it. How much is a pretty candy apple red Hemi Charger? $39. I don't know. Owner's manual. Got one for each car. All right, guys, I'm done clowning around. I didn't get my mission was to find out the new trucks, how they cushioning the blows. I wanted to see that. They're gonna unload some more tomorrow. We'll find out tomorrow, guys. That's all I have, man. Just a nice little tour. My man unloaded. He did his job. He gonna go get another load. I'm almost certain. What chip shortage? We getting back to normal, slowly but surely. Guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.